Well, I forgot to mention the volume in this clip about the Marantz model 2218 because this is going very loud quickly. I'm just going to show you. The last clip was just very low, so now my daughter is standing here, so I won't exaggerate anything, but it kind of happens very fast. She's mixing and doing the analog shit here. Good. Turn the treble down. Bass. So the sound is obviously very warm, and unfortunately, I have included in my audio setup this passive mixer, which I built myself. It contains some regular resistors, so it's nothing special. And the construction is, the plan of it is all over Google, so it's nothing to hide here. The record this time is Cocktail Twins, Head Over Heels, which is a very good record from 1986. The new wave, maybe on the edge to dark wave, I would say. New wave record from '86. And this amplifier is from 1978-79, the year it was produced. So that's all for now.